నేనా?
యాహ్! ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళు ఇక్కడికి రాలేకపోయారు కాబట్టి వి ఆర్ మిస్సింగ్ దెమ్. సో వరలక్ష్మి గారు ఈస్ కాలింగ్. సో మనం ఆల్రెడీ సుందర్ సి గారి డైరెక్టర్గానే కాదు ఆయన్ని కూడా హీరోగా చూస్తూ వచ్చాము. అండ్ విజయ్ ఆంటనీ గారు మనందరికీ తెలుసు, సూపర్బ్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్ హీరో అయిపోయారు ఆయన మ్యూజిక్ డైరెక్టర్ తర్వాత. అండ్ సంతానం గారు బోల్డ్ అని వండర్ఫుల్ ఎంటర్టైనర్స్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు. సో చాలా మార్పులు ఈ సినిమా తర్వాత చూసినప్పటికీ కూడా మనకి ఈ సినిమా అంత ఫ్రెష్గా అనిపిస్తుంది. సో లెట్స్ సి. షీస్ కాలింగ్ విజయ్ గారు. ఓకే,
విజయ్ ఆంటనీ సార్.
స్పీకర్ స్పీకర్ స్పీకర్.
ஃபோன் எத்தாலுங்க.
வணக்கம்
வணக்கம் வணக்கம் how are you?
சார். உங்களை ஸ்பீக்கர்ல போட்டேன் சார், உங்களுக்கு கேட்காமலே.
போட்டீங்களா?
ஆமா சார், ஸ்பீக்கர்ல இருக்கீங்க நீங்க.
எந்த ஊர்ல ஸ்பீக்கர்ல இருக்கேனா?
ஹைதராபாத்ல ஸ்பீக்கர்ல இருக்கீங்க சார்.
Speaker. Then I should talk to them in Telugu only, right?
ஆமா சார், தெலுங்குல சார்.
But only I know Andariki Namaskaram. Lakshmi.
சார் உங்க
Andariki Namaskaram. Where are you exactly?
நாங்க இப்பதான்
In the
வந்து
radio
we
station?
finished seeing 3 songs we just watched.
Okay,
And
okay.
everybody's enjoyed your music, so a few words about the film, sir, from you.
Yeah, so see, it's an extraordinary movie which is done very well in Tamil Nadu. Everyone knows that. And I was about to come there for promotions. I couldn't be there.
Yes.
I'm happy that you are promoting the movie and such a wonderful commercial movie.
அஞ்சலி இருக்காங்க.
And Anjali, how are you, Anjali?
I'm good. How are you?
I love you, Anjali.
Yes sir, அவங்களுக்கு மட்டும் தனியா?
I love you too.
See, even on the somebody is being possessive. I love you too.
Yeah.
How dare?
Yeah. How is everything going on there?
Everything is going on good, and we miss you here.
Yes.
Yeah, I will come next time after the success party. I'll come.
Okay. For the success party sir, after success party. Father வந்துருங்க. ஆமா.
ஒரு சாங்
ஒரு-
சார்.
சார் நீங்க ஒரு சாங் பாடணுமா சார் இந்த நம்ம படத்துல இருந்து?
அப்படியா?
ஆமா சார்.
Which,
உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச சாங் பாடுங்க சார்.
இந்த படத்துல இருந்து I can sing Tamil version only. Is it okay with you?
நோ
No
ப்ராப்ளம்.
problem sir.
Tamil version என்ன பாட்டு பாடுறேன் அந்த படத்துல?
My dear அவருக்கு சார்.
My dear,
my dear lover is special song. Is it okay?
that's
பாடுங்க
why உங்களுக்கு ரெண்டு ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கு, சிக்கு புக்கு or my dear lover.
My dear lover is better.
Okay, done.
சொன்னேன்.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. My dear lover, நீ சூப்பர் டக்கர், நீ ஓசிலிக்கர், என் ஹார்ட் ஜம்புது. Come and see me, tell I love you. Come and see me, tell I love you. இல்லைன்னா I will die.
சார் இந்த பாட்டு
I will die. Yes.
இந்த பாட்டு வந்து நீங்க சுதில பாடுறது ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு சார். Thank you so much sir. Thank you so much for your time. We'll call you after some time. Thank you sir. Bye.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ విజయ్ ఆంటనీ గారు. దట్ వాస్ యు ఆర్ సచ్ అ స్పోర్ట్.